So for all of you who might sometimes get frustrated with your washing machine, I'd like to say, welcome to our little apartment's washing machine of confusion. So we have this here, right? And you'd say, how the heck do you open this? Well, that's what I asked myself. Literally still frustrated working on it. And the sucker clamps open. Right? And then you're like, how do I do this? And I'm like, I'll tell you, because it's important to wash your laundry all the time so it's not stinky. So this is where we're going. All right, that's like a decent load of laundry. And then you're shutting it. All right, we're super shutting it. Wait, did I get all the towels, man? Let's see, I think I did. I did. And then we're just gonna add detergent. Mountain Spring, so it's not like my homemade detergent, but right now I'm just like super dealing with it because that's my choice and that's what I got to do. So I close this puppy. I obviously am having some issues, and I'm going to take a workshop in 2019 with how to close the washing machine. There we go. So it's super closed. Then it spins. We close it. Alright, and then it's like we have to super turn it on. So if you haven't picked up, that's right next to, it's like our bathroom meets the washer without the dryer. Oh wait, it says stop. Why does it say stop? Do I go like that? I don't know. What is this? Oh, I think I did it. I don't know what that means. Alright, we started it. Boom. That's exciting. We'll see if the clothes are clean thoroughly. Peace.